This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. The United Kingdom has thrown its support behind Jamaica's Kamina Johnson-Smith in her bid to become Commonwealth Secretary General. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson made the announcement in a tweet on Thursday. Johnson-Smith will challenge incumbent Dominica-born Baroness Patricia Scotland for the post in a move which has divided CARICOM. Jamaica recently apparently scuttled any attempt by the 15-member CARICOM grouping to have a consensus candidate for the position, with Kingston defending the decision to nominate its Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister, Kamina Johnson-Smith, for the post. The Black River High School in St. Elizabeth has been plunged into mourning following the death of business teacher Amori Tomlinson. School principal Christopher Romans told ORAP that Tomlinson, who was an educator at the institution for over a decade, had been ailing for some time and had to be hospitalized at one point. Tomlinson is believed to be the 8th educator to die in as many days. Earlier on Wednesday, Vice Principal of Charlemont High in St. Catherine, Jennifer Giddon, died on her way to hospital. Police are probing the suspected drowning of a toddler at his home in Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as 1-year-old Benton Cowell Jr. According to reports, about 12:50 p.m., Benton was at his home with his parents when he was discovered lying face down in a bath full of water. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. And in entertainment news, international pop star and Bajan national hero Rihanna has given birth to her first child. Rihanna and boyfriend A$AP Rocky welcomed a baby boy on May 13 in Los Angeles. The child's name has not been disclosed. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.